To send Zelle payments using the Chase app, start by opening the app on your phone and logging into your account with your username and password. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you'll see a list of your accounts and balances, along with a menu at the bottom. From this menu, select the Pay and Transfer option. On the next screen, find and tap the Send Money with Zelle button. You'll then be shown a list of recipients. Choose the one you want to send money to, and if prompted, acknowledge that the recipient may not be registered with Zelle by checking the corresponding box. Next, proceed to enter the payment details, including the transfer amount, an optional message for the recipient, and the desired transfer date. After reviewing the payment details, tap Done, followed by Review and Send. And finally, confirm the transaction by tapping Send It Now. If you need to cancel a scheduled transfer, navigate back to the Zelle section. Select the payment you want to cancel, confirm your selection, and then tap Cancel Payment to complete the cancellation process.